Our goal here is to evaluate the 6 trig functions for angle B. If you want to try it on your own, if you have a pretty good handle on this, turn off the video, try the problem, fast forward to the end, and see if you got it. If you're not sure, walk through it with me. So I'm interested in angle B. Here's angle B up here. So I'm going to need to know the roles of each of the sides of this triangle relating to angle B. The hypotenuse is the angle across from the right angle, so 10 is the hypotenuse, no matter what. For angle B, the opposite side is the one that's across from it through the triangle, so here's my opposite side down here. The adjacent side is the one that's a part of angle B, so 9 is adjacent. We have a problem here. That is, I know 2 of the sides, but I need all 3 of them. We're going to have to find the length of side CA down here, the length of the opposite side. We have the Pythagorean theorem for that. Just to bring that back, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C is the hypotenuse, so that's 10 squared. A and b are interchangeable, doesn't really matter. With a is 9 here, so 9 squared plus b squared. So I got 100 minus 81, which is the square root of 19. Okay, why not? So the value of length of this side is the square root of 19. We'll just leave it like that. If you had a radical you could simplify, go ahead and simplify it. But the square root of 19 is prime. We can't do anything with that. So square root of 19. And now I have side lengths for all 3 sides of my right triangle. So we can jump right in. Here we go. Sine of angle B is its opposite side over the hypotenuse. Here again, if you could simplify that, if it came out to 2 over 4 or something, we would call it a half. We can't really simplify that, so we'll go on. The cosine is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. The tangent is opposite over adjacent. And we're half done. Now we just need the other 3, which are reciprocals of the first 3. The cosecant, we got 10 over root 19. At this stage in the game, I'm going to assume that if you felt like rationalizing that, you could. I'm not going to. You don't have to either. If it bothers you, you certainly can. We can call it 10 root 19 over 19, but I'm okay with leaving it like that. The secant, the reciprocal of the cosine, and the cotangent. And again, you can rationalize it if you want to, but you definitely don't have to. And there we go, 6 trig functions for angle B.